Alright, I'll just mix a bit of this color. Now's my chance, while she's distracted. This apple looks so delicious. I bet it's sweet and juicy. Huh? What the heck? How is she holding an apple? Ah! Ah! She's onto me! Ah! Well, I guess this is where we are now. So, let's see what's up. Hey, how are you? We haven't talked in forever. Might as well work on my manicure, I guess. Huh? Finally! Something's happening! Look at that light! Something alien and UFO-y is going on. Exciting! This is so cool. I can't wait to see what happens next. Wait, I got stuck with no hands? Come on, that's not fair. I got one hand, and I'm totally okay with that. Time to start drawing my little alien guy. There's his head. Now to work on his body. Can't be a little alien dude without any arms. 2, of course. And then down to his little sticky legs. Now to add some details. He needs to have his typical big black eyes. And a little nose and mouth too. Now to get him up and moving. Ugh, she totally makes it look so easy with her one hand she can use. Oh my gosh, it's an actual alien right here next to me! He's doing something with my plate and a marker. Let's see what he did. Looks like he tried to draw an alien. Hey, Mr. Alien Dude! Check out what I did on my plate! See? I can make him dance when the water moves. Man, he's got some great moves if I say so myself. Do you love it? I bet you totally love it. Yes! He loves it! Whoa! Look at that amazing space cake! Wow! He's putting it by me! I guess I get it! Here, you can have this. This might be the best cake I've ever seen! She gets a cake and I get what? Nothing, I guess. Other than just this alien scribble on my plate. Hey! What about my plate? Don't you want this one too? Maybe in exchange for a cake? No? What the heck? You're the one who drew it! I can't believe this. This looks great. I'm going in for a bite. How? That is one delicious space cake. I'm definitely glad that I won this one. Whoa! Are you seeing this light right here? Ooh, looks like we've got boxes this time. I'm gonna take this one. No way! Look what was in mine! Cans of spray paint! I wonder what's in mine? I can't tell just by shaking. I'll open it. Wow! It's a whole box full of new colored pencils! I love them! Oh! Look! Another little box! What do you think's inside? I'll open it and find out. Huh. That's not what I expected. It's a gummy eyeball. So squishy. Okay, I'm gonna eat it because I'm hungry. That's very tasty. And chewy. I love it! Wow, that was a really good snack. I wish I had even more to eat. Hey look! We both get to use hands this time! Alright, I've got my gloves and I'm ready to make some art. I'm gonna start with this blue color and make a splotch in the middle. Now I'll use this glass as a guide for the white paint. There! Now we've got a perfect blue circle. Next up, I need this plate. I'll put it face down on the paper. Time to break out the black spray paint now. Okay, I need a little black in the middle for a pupil, because it's an eye. I'm ready with my pencils and my one hand. Here I go! Time to draw an eye with my single hand. This is going pretty good so far. And I think I'm done! Ta-da! My happy little face is done! Whoa! How the heck did you do that? What? My cute little eye? Didn't it turn out fantastic? No way! The magic turned my picture into another gummy eyeball! Except it's a huge one! No way! What the heck? That's gigantic! Can I have it? No way. This belongs to me. Now excuse me. I need to eat my giant eyeball. Man. Though I guess I didn't give her any of my cake. Whoa! What's going on? What is this? Oh! Another one? They keep coming! Ha! Oh! Something's happening! Here comes the magic again! Look! It's an ice cream cone! How cute! It looks pretty tasty, too. I wish I had a real ice cream cone. Ooh, no kidding! Hey, let me see that over here. This'll be a fun one. Aw, no hands again? That's a huge bummer. Okay, I've got my one hand and a paintbrush. Ready to dab it into the paint. I think I'll start with red. Gonna paint this ice cream. Gonna have a good time. I'm just adding different colors and dots on my picture. I've got red, yellow, blue, and mostly white. And now I'm gonna add some water and let them blend together. Look at her doing all the painting over there. I better get started. Guess there's nothing to do but use my mouth. I could totally do this like this. Okay, just gotta start adding some dots on this paper. I need some of this color now, too. Maybe I'll add some of this color here. Oh no! This is just turning out terribly! Well, I guess this is what I came up with. Ta-da! At least it's colorful. I've got that going for me anyway. I'm done with my ice cream cone too. See? The blending technique I used turned out great. I love it. Whoa! It turned into a real ice cream! Just like we were hoping it would! Looks so much like the ice cream cone I painted, too. Time to give this a taste. I hope it's good. It is. It's very good. I bet you're wishing you had an ice cream cone, too. These candies are my favorite. So fruity. The tropical flavors are definitely the better ones, I think. Wait a second. I have an idea. Let me pour some of these out of the bag. They're so colorful and pretty, too. I really love the pink. And now for some organization. I'll start with these blue ones. And here comes the pink. Alright, they're all organized and ready for some magic! Yes! It worked! It turned into a poppet just like I hoped it would. Time for me to get poppin'. Hey! What the heck? And what are you doing? We're supposed to be doing art. Oh, right. I forgot. Just got distracted by the poppet, I guess. Yes! I get to use hands this time! And both of them, too! Now's my chance. Don't mind if I play with this a bit. Actually, I'm gonna use it for my artwork. I'll start with this paint. Okay, I'll just paint the insides of the poppet with this brush. I'm very excited to see how this turns out in the end. Alright, now to do the same with the orange row of the poppet. Okay, that's done. Now let's give this a try. I'll have to flip over this poppet onto my paper. Now to start popping. Red, red, maybe this blue over here. Man, look at her using both hands like she's allowed to do. Wait, I know what I'm gonna do. Come on, nose. You're gonna function as my paintbrush. Ooh, the paint is kinda chilly. Time to add some dots of paint to my paper with my nose. This is going well. Time to switch colors. Look! I made my poppet shapes with my nose. Yay! I made mine too. It's pretty great, not gonna lie. Look at how perfect my dots are. Definitely better than yours. Whoa! The magic's back! Poppet cookies! Don't mind if I do. Oh wow, this is so tasty. Definitely looks pretty good. I'm gonna take a bite too. We're gonna get this time! It's so exciting! Oh my gosh! Look! It's a cute little frog! Look at him just hopping around, doing his little ribbits. Well, I'm definitely ready to make some artwork featuring a frog. Wow! Me too! I love frogs and toads. Let me get my paper ready. Yes! 2 hands this time! And you get 1 again. Looks like I'm gonna use this fine tip marker for this one. I'm gonna start by making 2 halves of hearts like this. I'll connect them underneath like this. And then above with an arc. Look at his cute little fingers. So adorable! I drew his eyes, so now I need to start coloring him in. I've gotta use green, of course. He's a respectable frog. Ha! I get to use both hands, and I'm gonna! I should be able to get it done twice as fast because, well, 2 hands. It's turning out great! This is a fantastic strategy! She was right about the little fingers and toes. Those are definitely the cutest. Alright, the outline is complete. Time to start coloring him in. This is definitely going nice and fast. Though it's maybe not as delicate. Gotta go faster! Whoa! I've got smoke over here! Ah! What the heck? How did you start a fire over there? Yikes. Well, I guess I'm done with my Froggy picture. I was just coloring too fast, it seems. Well, my frog picture didn't catch fire, and here it is. Isn't it cute? Oh, what's that? It's a gummy frog! It must have come from my amazing picture! Time to shake the picture! Shake, 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 shake! Wow! That's a lot of gummy frogs! Oh my gosh, it smells so good! Like melon! I'm gonna take a bite of this one. I can't wait any longer. Wow, it's great. I just really love gummy foods. Whoa! What the heck are you doing? Shouldn't you slow down? No! I love them too much to slow down!
Oh yeah, fruit is perfect for a snack. Done. It's so late. Here you go, sweetie. Let's go. Come here, son. Let's snack. Where did the fruit go?
I don't know.
What's that over there? Oh dear. I need a solution. Oh, I found my comb. Nope, not that. This might work. First, make little cuts in the plate. Now grab a skewer. Carefully slide it in like this. Then, thread in these sliced strips. Move it aside and add the next one. Alternate colors until the plate is full. Now staple all the ends together. Add a couple of flowers for style. And the new basket is ready. Time to test it. Nice, it works. Here you go, honey.
Finally, I can eat my apple.
Share with Mom, too. Haha, you're right. That was a fun show. No, I'm home, painting my nails. Oh, yeah. This season is way better than the last. Huh? What's this? Where's my blue polish? You won't believe it. My polish is gone. Not here either. I'm tired of looking. Uh-oh.
Mom, look. Do you like it?
Sweetie, that's not a toy. I know what to do. This donut box will work perfectly. Just place your hand like this. Trace the outline with a marker. Add the other hand and cut it out. Now, take a straw and cut it like this. Put the straw pieces on the fingers. They'll be the nails. Manicure trainer ready. You can paint these nails as much as you want.
Wow, so cool!
Much better. Hello. Yes? What were we saying? Oh, right.
I'm an excavator. Vroom, vroom. Using hands is faster.
Of course, best match of the season.
Oh, a lollipop. Dad, gimme! I want it!
Time to be clever. Take a piece of toilet paper. Pour a little liquid soap on it. Gently spread the soap with a brush like this. Let it dry, and the soap wipes are ready. You need to wash your hands before eating. Here you go. Rub well, and all the dirt will be gone.
Wow, so clean.
Good job. Much better. Now you can eat your lollipop.
Yummy.
Oh my, careful with your teeth, sweetie. I'm the best dad.
I'm the best artist ever. Mom, look!
Aw, so cute. I'll put it in your drawing box. What, another one?
I'm inspired today.
Nice job. Hand them to me and I'll stack them.
Look! A kitten!
Oh my, that's a lot of drawings. Oh, I know. First, cover the drawing with plastic like this. Now transfer it onto a t-shirt. Cover it with baking paper and iron it really well. Done. One-of-a-kind design. So pretty. Try it on, sweetheart. It looks great on you. Enough drawing. Grab a toy car.
Awesome! Ready to race? Vroom, vroom!
Phew, that's much better. Huh? What happened to my fridge?
Uh-oh. Hi, Mom!
So, you like playing with stickers, huh?
Gimme, gimme!
I think I've got an idea. First, make them round. Perfect! Now take this one and heat it up. The heat makes it puff up like this. Put it back in place. Add little dots like this. Done. Looks like a real burger. That'll do. Sweetie, look what I made.
Wow, cool! I'll add some lettuce leaves.
Good job. Mommy will make dinner now.
Breakfast is the most important meal. Here you go.
Yummy! Yay!
Oh my, you're such a mess. What a disaster. What can I do? Oh, I've got it. First, take a big sheet and place a plate on top. Trace around it with a marker, like this. Great! Now label the circle, plate, so it's clear. Make another one for the cup. And a couple for the fork and spoon. Now tape the whole sheet like this. That makes it waterproof. Perfect! Look what Daddy made for you. Let's put everything where it belongs. Like this. Now try eating.
Tasty. I want tea. I'm full. Thanks, Dad.
All right, time to clean up. So quick and easy. Such a useful thing. Nice.
I can't reach the snacks!
Huh? Don't worry, sweetie. Time for daddy stuff. First, make a cardboard hand like this. Place it here and glue on small straw pieces. Add 1 piece for each finger part. Now thread a string through the straws. Pull the strings. It works! Add a couple of cardboard pieces on the sides. And glue a few more right here. Done! The cardboard hand is ready. Perfect! Here you go, sweetheart. This will help.
Yes! Now I can reach! Come to me, snacks! Your high shelf won't save you now.
What? Sweetie, stop! That's not a toy. Oh, these kids.